place where a dying river ends. I've learned to be free, but I ain't so free to play. Anything I see meant for my cold plastic bags for the cold. If I could see a cigarette on a job, the sky would let you expect some food and respect from the rain of the world.
And there's more children. Daddy's home. These are your actual children, yes?
Yeah. Yes.
And those are the children when you're not home. Hey, you know what? Napaka-dangerous ang ginawa nyo, ha? Pag dinagay mo, pag dinagdag mo yung already nice sound. I mean, for me, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Daddy's home already has a good sound. To put the children, your children, other children, to put more elements in your sound as opposed to your sets, for me, that is a very daring move. That's what you do when you were bottom 2 once. You step it up. Good job.
Thank you so much.
Take chances.
Daddy's home. I think you have to continue doing this na like this. Kung saan kayo mag-show, dalhin ninyo yung mga anak ninyo, yung mga asawa mo, mas maganda pa, talaga. Pero talagang you're a joy to listen to. You are, honestly. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Daddy's home. Hindi ko... I think all of us here should make the symbol. We love you, Daddy's home! Woo! Congratulations, that was really, really good.
Alam mo, Daddy's home, and I will speak on behalf of Daddy's home, pero ang daming nagsasabi, matatanda na yung mga yon, yung mga ganyan-ganyan.
Sakit
Pero,
mo naman magsalita.
yun ang sinasabi sa akin, tita. Yun ang mga sinasabi sa akin.
Sige.
Pero sabi ko, bihira talaga ang makakita ng, kagaya natin, ng mga daddy na ganito, na talagang inilalabas nila yung mga talented children. Their kids are really talented. Siguro in the next X Factor auditions, makikita nyo na
Sila.
rin yung mga anak nila dahil magagaling talaga.
Tapos guess
Daddy's
kayo.
home, thank you for putting an importance on what a daddy is and on what a family is all about.
Good job.
We love you.
Thank you so much. Love you.
Thank you, judges. We are family. Nako, ayan na po. Kung na-touch kayo sa performance ng Daddy's Home, just remember XF space DAD. Ayan, hintayin ang pagbubukas ng voting lines in just a short while, guys. Maraming salamat. Daddy's Home!